Instead of throwing plastic bottles away, we'll show you what you can do with them. The first project includes a detergent plastic bottle. After some cuts, you'll end up with this amazing pot. You can also draw something cute in there, if you want it to look even more interesting. After you cut it, you may also paint it with your favorite colors. We're not done yet. How about an elephant-shaped one? You already know this will look good. There's so much you can do with plastic bottles. It would definitely be a waste to throw them away. A gorgeous outcome indeed. As you can probably tell, it's quite easy to work with plastic bottles. Pick your favorite and follow the steps presented in the video to get the same results. This one is a bit different from what we've seen so far, as it involves sticks. We're wondering what this one has in store for us. Pretty impressive! Now this would make a great gift for your loved one. Let this video inspire you so you can come up with new ideas and your own design. DIY gifts never go out of style.